Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to stop Photoshop from freezing and crashing instantly on Windows. This advanced checklist targets broken startup files, faulty plugin loops, and bad hardware acceleration rules inside Adobe Photoshop to force instant stability. First, if Photoshop is completely frozen right now, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously on your keyboard to instantly pull up the Windows Task Manager. Look at the processes list. Click explicitly on Adobe Photoshop and click the End Task button in the top right corner to force terminate the stalled process. If the app successfully opens but crashes when loading tools, click the Edit menu at the top left, hover over Preferences, and click Performance from the flyout menu. Move your eyes to the lower middle section and locate the checkbox explicitly labeled Multi-Threaded Compositing. Click that checkbox to turn it completely off. This stops processing bottlenecks across multiple processor cores that cause instant layout freezes. Now, look slightly to the right and click the Advanced Settings button inside the graphics processor block. Clear the checkmark from the box explicitly labeled GPU Compositing to shift layout rendering stability completely back to System Safe Mode defaults, then click OK. Finally, click OK on the primary configuration window to instantly apply the stability rules and restart the software. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.